Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu X1 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the GARMIN Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So find the icon and tap on it. Actually, let me reopen the app like this. And once you open the application, you should see the homepage. Now tap on More. Scroll down and tap on Garmin devices, and here you should see your Venu X1. Tap on it, and on the settings page tap on the More Options icon and tap on Remove Device, then tap on Remove. Tap on OK if you see this message, and if you see this message, tap on Settings. It will redirect you to the Bluetooth settings, and here what you need to do is to tap on the settings or info icon next to your Venu X1. Tap on Forget and tap on Forget Device, and then you can close the settings. And at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.